Kamua is your go-to if you 1. Have a long video, 2. You want to trim it down, 3. You want to format it for social media. Let's do it. First we paste our link in Kamua, then we click the scissor icon over here which allows us to select the section we want to include in our edit. Done. Alright, let's add it. Next up we want to select and add the shots we want to add to the timeline and activate preview mode. Now we go to our crop settings on the left, select an aspect ratio, enable auto crop, and remove black bars. Now we can start to tweak our clips just to change it up a bit. We can use the controls on the playhead to cut and trim clips to the desired length and adjust the crop box to a desired point. And for some clips, using fit video is actually a great way of breaking it up visually and adding more perspective to the story you're trying to tell. Alright, now to make it more engaging and increase the view time, we can add some captions. You can easily edit the words directly on the timeline. We can finish it off by adding an overlay from your clip settings like a high quality PNG logo so people can notice your brand. Now for the game changer. Simply click the phone icon to apply a social media skin so you can see what it would look like when you post it. This also gives us an opportunity to adjust the captions and overlays within safe zones so they don't intrude or overlap with that platform's UI. And in no time at all, let's see what it looks like.
I was lucky to do my scenes with Yoda with the Yoda puppet. And then every time George called cut, he would die, Yoda, because everyone just stops operating him. So he just goes like that. And it was sort of disturbing every time that the end of the scene would come along. And then they replaced him with, for our second film and our third film, with the digital version of him. So when it was suddenly computer generated, it didn't feel like Yoda to me anymore, you know?